In this video I'm gonna once again try to work a bit on my Western Red Cedar here, which, as I've said in tons of videos about it, is very frustrating because they keep growing longer and longer, the branches, without them back budding. So this might be one of the last videos where I actually try, and since we're trying to buy a house right now, I might just plant it in the garden, because either I'm not talented enough yet to turn this into a bonsai, or the species is just not good at it. But I have seen examples of excellent Western Red Cedars as bonsai, so it should be possible. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I think I want to try with this branch just as an experiment. If it doesn't work, I can always use it as a gin, but I want to cut it way back and see if it buds back when it doesn't have foliage on it, or next to no foliage. So I'm gonna try that. I don't want to do any more. Maybe actually I'll take a bit more of this one to try to force it to back bud. There's practically no foliage left on this branch. We'll see how it goes, if this one actually survives or dies. If it dies, I'll make a gin and I'll start the tree from up here, or plant it out on our land once we get some private land. We'll see what happens with this one. I definitely have a love-hate relationship with this one, but thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it, and if you wouldn't mind, I'd love a like and a subscribe before you leave. And yeah, check out some of my other videos. There's plenty of different species, different techniques and stuff, and in the not so far future we're gonna buy an old Italian stone house, and we're gonna renovate it. So hope that's going to be interesting for the future. Thanks for watching.